Hi everybody. On my channel I have a graduation mini album and I had some leftover paper, so I wanted to show you what I did with it. Now I'm fortunate enough to have a cinch, so I made a cinch bound album. If you don't have one, you can go to the local office supply store, and those that offer printing services usually offer binding services. This mini album is, I guess it's a mini album, 8.5 by 5.5. So cover has the big graduation sticker. This, by the way, the paper is from Echo Park's graduation. Inside we've got a photo mat. Now the photo mats are 6.25 by 4.25, so you could put a 4 by 6 photo on here with no problem. At the top there's just this little journaling card that says the best is yet to come. You can put another photo on the back. I mean, you could put a photo on the front if you wanted to. This is made for 4 by 6 photos. And here is a little folder. Now this one is, the folder is 6.25 by 4.25, but this paper is 4 by 6. So you could add your photo on here and there wouldn't be much of a white border, or you could cut it down. And that just tucks into that side loading pocket. This next page has another 4.25 by 6.25 photo mat with a journaling card with room for a photo on the back. And here is a wishing you a happy graduation, and there is room there for a 4 by 6 photo. And you could put more photos in that pocket as well. Here's room for a 4 by 4 photo. This is 4.25 by 4.25. And there is the little journaling card to put a smaller picture on. And room here for a photo. Again, another 4 by 6 photo. You could write what you want on there and add another picture to the back. This one is a folder that's attached. There is a magnet holding it closed. I put this little ribbon here just so people know it does something. So you would see it and pick it up and know that you could put your photo in here. And it's a real strong magnet, so if you were to add photos to the top and the bottom, you still will be able to close that. Another room for a photo. You can put the graduating class number there. And here's room for a smaller photo. And people will say, well, how do I get a smaller photo? Look through your photos and tell me how many times do you have the ceiling or extra sky or people you don't know. Just look through your photos. I'm sure you have one that you could crop down. And here we go. Another journaling card to add your picture to, and room for there. Now this one has magnets on both sides, so it just sort of locks into place there. But this comes up, and then you can put a large photo here and some smaller photos there if you wish. And then that goes back in place. And there's the back of our album. And there we go. So I've got this in my Etsy shop. If it's something you're interested in, I will put the link in the description box. Go check that out. So that's what I have for you today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.